Blessing Squad, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm gonna be cutting my box braid and then like decorating it, like just putting accessories and all that on my braid. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I just want a different kind of look, so I thought, why not film it for the Blessing Squad? You feel me? Yeah. So with this video, make sure to like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe to be a part of the Blessing Squad because we're lit out here, okay? And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. And also make sure to follow me on all my social media. They'll be somewhere around the screen to keep up with me when I'm not on camera. And without further ado, let's finally get started with this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair into part before I start cutting, so I can be able to like cut it at the right places that I want to cut it. I don't know, it just, and now it's getting hot, so I'm like, okay, I want to cut it short because on the 10th we'll make it 1 month since I got my braid. So we're gonna start off with cutting. Okay. Woo. And also I'm gonna show you guys like a little picture of what I'm trying to go for. So I already went ahead and cut some of them last night when I was bored. So we're gonna go ahead and measure, make sure they're all the same sizes because we can't be looking like a mess out here. So cutting this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and unravel this and cut this side also, okay? Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and unravel this hair accessory so then I can put it back after I cut it, because then I can literally cut it off. So yeah, if you guys want me to do more videos like this, like when I do braids when I'm taking it out, or I could do like, if you want me to do like a girl talk when I'm taking out my braids, let me know. Leave that in the comment and what topic you guys want me to talk about and all that. I'm ready to be posting consistently for you guys, so just let me know and I'll do it. Okay? Yeah. Now that I'm done taking out the design, oh, there's still one more, but I'll do that when I'm doing that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting once more. So we're done with this part. It's looking pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and, or should I leave it down? Let's leave some part down and tie the rest back. Just stay tuned when I'm about to accessorize it. decent job. I think I did a decent job with cutting the braids. So the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is like put rubber bands so it doesn't like unravel. Because if it unravels, we're in a lot of trouble. But so I'm gonna go ahead and put rubber band. I'll speed up this process. So some of the accessories I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna put the rubber band, and then I'll put like whichever one I want to use, either that one or this one. So we're gonna see. So let's put the rubber band. Alright, blessing squad. I went ahead and put rubber band on this section of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit of what I'm putting rubber band on this, and then finish up the rest off camera. Okay? I'm done adding rubber bands to the end of both sides, so I'm gonna go ahead and add accessories, you know, just make it look nice. But first of all, we're gonna go ahead and put this joint back on. So I'm gonna see where I want to put it, and we'll go. This one, but I think I might move it around. But for right now, we're just gonna leave it there, and then I'll put it, maybe let's put it up this one. So far so good. So I'm gonna go ahead, I don't even want to add the gold one or this one, decision. All right, yeah, I had to tie it up because it was getting in my face a lot. So since we can't decide on which one to use, I'm gonna use the gold one for right, and then I can switch it up later on. Final look. I really like it. Like, it's short, and then like it's more convenient right now to like rock. I really like short hair for some reason now. Like, I guess because I've been cutting my hair a lot. That's why, like, I don't know, I just like it, and the way I designed it. Maybe I'm gonna add some more, or I'll just leave it like this. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? So let me stop, but this is it. I like this little accessory thing under here. Some back here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is lay my edges so you guys can, you know, get a feel of like, cause I'm feeling myself. To lay your edges 101 right here. This is the tutorial, period. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I like to first of all brush my hair backwards. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Just brush all the hair back. This is the gel I always use on my hair, but some people say like it's not good, but like it flakes a little bit, but I still use it. Don't ask me why. You get an old toothbrush, not the one you're using to brush your teeth, because that's dirty, okay? Then you go ahead and, you know, open that joint. Take a little, yeah, this is how I do it. Just brush up some of the, ooh, that looks like it's too much gel, and you know, just brush it back. Like a little swoosh. Watch it, but I'm about to change it up now. Watch. Just brush up some of the hair. You don't want to brush out too much hair now, because that's not going to be baby hair anymore. But you know, because your edges got to be out here with no leak. But yeah, so. Blessing Squad, we have come to the end of today's video slash tutorial on how I got this short and cute box braid. Okay, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see, and follow me on all my social media in order to keep up with me when I'm not on camera. If you spread positive vibe, you get back positive vibe. No negativity around here, baby, period. Okay, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.